Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the Angular. Today we are going to learn about the pipes. Pipes are the powerful feature used to transform data in the templates. They allow you to format and display the data in a way that is user friendly without modifying the actual data in our component. So basically suppose let's take an example. I have a date. I want to format with the help of the pipe. So this is the pipe that is full date. So if I'm going to use this one in our component file, so let's go to the component. This is my component, right? App component.ts, and I'm going to just declare this. Okay, I'm not going to use this. Okay, fine. And how to use this, like today date, how to format date, and it's to be a full date. Okay, so in the template I'm need to just write this is my date from the from the component, and this is the format that I want to make it date. That should be a full date. If I'm going to save it and run, let's run this. So let's open the link, and here you can see that Saturday December, so it's give me the full date. Okay, so this is how the pipes work. So basically pipes are the simple function that is used in the template expressions to accept an input value. So it accepts the input value and return a transformed value. So it return the transform value. If I log this date, so it's something different, right? Okay, pipes are useful because you can use them throughout your application while only declare each pipe once. Okay, so this is basically useful for transforming the data in the templates, right? So in the next video, we are going to learn some of the like built-in pipes, and let's see. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day, and make sure this is always denoted or represented by the pipe symbol. So this is the pipe symbol that we have used, commonly used to transform the data, right? Like dates, numbers, strings. Okay, so this is how the pipes work. Any doubt, any query in that, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.